Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today my night duty again. So it was not so a busy night, but at around 11:30 p.m. another snake bitten patient came to our hospital. Whenever such patient arrives, the whole environment becomes tense, and luckily the attendant told us that it was a Copperhead snake, so we felt relieved. Patient was tensed and got bite marks over his right foot. So I assured him that he will be okay after simple treatment and rest, because Copperhead is not poisonous but a little bit venomous. So we gave treatment and he got healed up. In the early morning time, at about 5 a.m., a baby born with Clubfoot in our hospital. We informed about it to our RBSK officer. So guys, bye for today. Wishing good health to all of you, and thanks for watching.